Welcome back. Today we are playing Sounds Fishy.
Leave that in. Okay. I saw that.
Darn!
Why would you do that?
Ow!
Because she's not supposed to look. Like, they need to see.
Okay, anyway. Every year, 40,000 Americans are injured in the home by what? Answer.
Toilets.
Sinks.
Faucets.
Faucet is the same as a sink. Okay, these were liars.
You really?
Guys, blue means you're telling the truth.
I don't think fast.
Red means you're lying.
Explain it to them, but not me.
Okay.
What is baseball player Dusty Baker credited with inventing in 1977?
Yeah, we can't see what that is.
Oh!
Can they see the answer?
Okay.
Do I need to move up?
No.
We can zoom it in.
Do you all have it?
You're looking?
Okay. The fist bump.
The high five.
Knee slap.
Here?
She's what?
Yeah. Guys.
Oh, she's wrong.
Lying.
Whoa!
Could've
caught me.
A knee slap? Are you kidding?
The knee slapper.
Okay, wait, don't.
Just keep
Are
them.
you a demon?
I wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah.
Alexis, don't look.
I can't read this.
Okay.
Caprastusphobia is the fear of what?
You're good. We gotta show them.
I can't read that.
Okay,
Cobrastusphobia.
Okay.
Close enough. It's a
We're
phobia.
gonna say it in a circle.
Oh, vegetables.
Constipation.
Pooping.
Pooping.
Pooping what?
Truth or lie?
You're the truth.
Guys, I'm just too good. Too good.
Wait.
I knew it was you. I second guessed myself. I'm done with this. I'm joking, guys.
Alright. Fishy
Okay.
shuffle.
Fishy shuffle.
Okay, Miranda, no looking.
She had to crawl. Alright.
Okay, so in 2018, a man from Australia tried to sue his boss for $1.08. Oh wait, $1.8 million for what?
$1.80.
Okay, yeah, sorry. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but I can't.
Pooping in the office.
Farting next to him.
Screaming at him.
Well, I think Courtney's lying. Too good. Okay, you said pooping and you said farting. I think you're also lying.
Dang.
No way!
Guys, I can actually tell who's lying.
What did the Russian defense minister do with the remains of some 3,000-year-old warriors?
Bro, what?
Yeah, was it?
Okay.
He tried to clone them.
Okay.
He tried to eat them.
We tried to burn them.
I think you're lying. Oh my god.
She lost. I couldn't even think of it like a good lie, and you thought I wasn't lying.
Yeah, she was laughing.
Like,
We're a little stupid, but that gets us views.
Well,
Courtney, don't look.
close your eyes.
Not the random. You done?
Okay.
yes,
yeah.
we're done.
Okay. In North Dakota, what are you not allowed to do while wearing a hat?
Oh. Don't look.
Don't look.
Close your eyes.
I can't see from that far away if you didn't notice. Okay.
Sleep. Sing.
Dance.
Truth.
What?
Okay, I feel like you guys are bad at it. No.
We're not
You
doing
can't dance while wearing a hat.
No,
points
for Courtney.
Okay, anyway.
I don't even think we're doing points. We should do
Shut
points.
Yeah,
Too late.
Whatever. We're too late in the game.
Well, we can keep it in our head.
And she's leaving.
Well, she gone. And she back.
Oh my gosh. Hold on.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys. Show your fishes now. And that
Show me fishes. Fish. Yo,
Hold on,
she has
okay.
the audacity to text other people.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. It was an emergency.
Gosh.
Question is, research by the University of Colorado found that cat owners were more likely to what?
More like what?
I can't see.
More likely to be what?
Oh, to be what? Yeah, sorry.
Politicians.
Multitaskers.
Entrepreneurs.
Well, you're telling the truth. You were looking at the
Entrepreneurs.
cards and you
She couldn't even
say
read it. Entrepreneurs.
Show me a freaking fish. Oh, I was right.
I thought you wouldn't get it because every time I hesitate, that's when you're like, you're lying.
Well, why-
Entrepreneurs.
Why'd you
Anyway.
say it like that? Entrepreneurs.
Because every time I hesitate, you guys are like, you're lying. I obviously can say entrepreneurs.
Hi, viewers.
They don't care.
Look away.
Fuck you.
Look away.
Look away.
Okay.
Okay, guys. President Jimmy Carter was attacked in his fishing boat by what? I don't know. Can they see it?
No. Down.
Down.
Right.
Is that right? Okay.
A swamp rabbit.
An alligator.
An octopus.
In his fishing boat. An octopus. I think you're lying.
Okay, well, you can think all you want.
Yeah, exactly. I'm right. Okay, you said an alligator. You said a swamp rabbit.
Why are you looking at me?
Because.
Oh, she's looking at fish.
Yeah.
Leave my fish
I
alone.
think he was giving some sort of a reddish glow, but I can't tell for sure.
Courtney's hands for real. Leave mine alone. Leave it alone.
No, guys. Okay, well, a swamp rabbit, is that actually a thing?
I don't know.
Look it up.
I can't. Okay, well, I'm gonna say that, Courtney is,
Stop.
telling the truth. Lie? Truth.
Which one?
It is lie!
0 points.
Okay,
That's
well,
1
It's
point
our
for you.
thing.
Anyway.
That's
that
1
was
point
that
for
was a tough
Miranda.
one.
Mason.
You have multiple boyfriends?
Yes.
Oh, makes sense.
We got that on camera.
Yeah.
We got it. Let's go. Let's
Okay.
go.
What is the name of the monster who is said to live near Murfreesboro, Illinois?
Illinois has a monster.
Yes.
Bigfoot.
Big muddy monster.
Big buddy monster.
Big Muddy and Big Buddy. Big Muddy and Big Buddy. You're a liar.
Well, okay, think all you want, but
I will.
you're right.
Yeah, we know.
I think you're lying too.
Whoa!
Like Bigfoot.
2 points for Maddie. Let's
Bigfoot?
go.
That's so boring.
Bigfoot's just generic.
Yeah,
And
real.
it's dumb. Like,
Jake,
why would,
you edge ya.
why would it be called Bigfoot?
Might be for real.
Because why not?
What about big toe?
Ew. Hey, look
Close
away.
your eyes. Now.
Okay.
Mr. Gox is a hamster who helps people make decisions about what?
He's a what?
A hamster.
Okay.
What if this whole time it's actually backwards?
It probably is.
I mean, wait, wouldn't it be?
What that's that? Yeah. It is.
Yeah.
Good luck. Okay. Who's gonna go? I feel like I'm always going first.
You are.
Buying stock exchanges.
Buying and selling cryptocurrency.
Buying TVs.
Truth.
Buying TVs.
What?
It's a hamster.
Buying TVs.
Yeah, he's smart.
It's your truth thing.
Your true thing.
You're true.
0 points.
No way! Why are you always a liar? Like you're never the person
What
who
does it say?
says
It's always
the
Miranda.
blue fish.
I've told the truth twice.
Lexi's never the person with a blue fish.
I have been like twice or thrice.
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 Twice or thrice.
Such a
Keep
weird
that in.
word.
Keep that in. I'll keep that in.
Wow. Pillow game.
That sounded weird. That sounded weird.
No pillow game.
What?
Lexi, no looking.
Yeah, no looking.
Eyes are open.
Eyes are opening.
In 2019, a man managed to open a small safe locked for 49 years. What was inside? You go.
A waitress's notebook.
$2.
15 pencils.
Why'd you look at my box?
15
I didn't.
pencils.
I didn't.
Pencils.
Hey, no looking at my face. Okay, it's no looking.
And no looking.
No looking.
I think you're lying. No way.
You're slow.
Shut up.
15 pencils.
15. Like, you look down somewhere. I'm like,
15 pencils.
Yeah,
I
but
think
silly
I
accusation.
already
Close
know
your
that.
eyes.
I already.
Our mascot?
Yeah, we have.
Yes.
Okay, so.
Close your eyes.
We'll name him later.
Okay.
We didn't get to show our fishies.
Okay.
Okay, so before it was before it was considered a condiment, ketchup was sold as what? Where is it at?
Right. Perfect.
Okay. I feel like I'm already gonna know the answer to this though.
A juice.
a smoothie.
A cure for diarrhea.
I think you're telling the truth.
I think we all know Miranda won that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, I won. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. And let us know in the comments down below what we should name the troll.
Okay, bye.
Bye.